You have only 4 days gap for your maths exam. And in these 4 days, you will be able to increase your score by 3.5x with this practical smart tips. If any of these tips feels impractical, then stop watching this video. So let's get started without wasting any time. Tip number 1. Start by solving easy chapters because it will take less time. But where to start? Don't worry, tip number 2 is there for you. So when you're solving easy chapters like statistics, probability, you will automatically have time for your tough chapters like triangles, trigonometry, etc., which need practice and patience. Whether it's a hard or easy chapter, NCERT is the key to success. So first, start solving your NCERT. Should we solve all the questions? To be honest, except triangles and circles, only solve important questions and frequently asked questions from every chapter. That's going to be enough. But don't forget your NCERT exemplar MCQs and VIP questions because Cbse also loves NCERT exemplar. When we're talking about Cbse, how can we forget our official Cbse sample papers? I think you've already solved Cbse sample question papers, but this time its use is going to be very different. But how? Identify in which type of questions you're facing problem. Then start practicing those questions. It will help you to realize your weak topics according to the latest Cbse pattern. At least spending 1 hour time on this task is going to be enough for you. Now our last tip is PYQs revision and solving sample papers. You can choose any math book for PYQs revision. But if you don't have such kind of books, you can join our maths telegram channel to get PYQs of all chapters. And in this 3 days gap, I will be posting must solve questions from every chapter on my telegram channel. And while solving PYQs, only solve those questions in which you are facing difficulty and repeated PYQs. Avoid solving similar questions because at least you need to complete 3 chapters daily and 1 sample paper each day. But I would recommend you to spend only 1.5 hour on each sample papers. And if you want to know how you can avoid silly mistakes in the examination hall, you can watch this video.